Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about balance. What is balance in philosophy? So balance has a deep root in the philosophy of Aristotle and Plato. Balance is made of two opposites plus a medium. For example, consider a seesaw. A seesaw has two sides plus a medium. Or consider the numbers, the real numbers on a line in mathematics. So the negative numbers as the one opposite, positive numbers as the other, and zero as the middle ground. The middle ground or the medium between the two opposites has an interesting quality because it simultaneously separates the two opposites in the sense that those opposites are not the same as each other, and it connects them together in the sense that the medium has properties of both sides. So there are two kinds of different balances. One type is the balance in vertical relations or vertical balance, and the other one is balance in horizontal relation or moderation. So vertical balance brings a deep philosophy, while horizontal balance brings a moderate philosophy. In vertical balance, okay, we have three components. The highest position is the positive opposite. The middle ground has properties of both sides, and the negative opposite has the lowest position. So consider, for example, falsehood, meaningfulness or relativity, and truth. So truth is at a higher level than relative, and relative is at a higher level than falsehood. So truth explains the relativity, and relativity explains falsehood. Or consider dark, hazy, and light. Light is at a higher level than hazy, and hazy is at a higher level than darkness. Consider indifference, questioning, and answering. Well, answering is at a higher level than questioning, and questioning is at a higher level than indifference. Indifference is a sign of ignorance, questioning is a sign of curiosity, and answering is a sign of knowledge. So, in vertical balance, the highest position is the best position, while in horizontal balance, which is also known as moderation, the middle ground is the best position. So, if we had two opposites in horizontal balance, the middle ground would be a positive quality. And if we had two positive sides, the middle ground, if we had two deeply positive sides like existence and truth, the middle ground would be something like an equation or correspondence. So let's start by the first example of horizontal balance. So oppressed is the state of being excessively affected by others. Oppressive is an state of excessively affecting others, while justice has a balance of affecting others and being affected by them. Or consider boredom. Boredom is a state of excessive lack of interest, and greediness is a state of uh, excessive interest, while complacency is a moderate version between the two. One common fallacy in philosophy that many scientists and even intellectuals repeat is mistaking vertical balance for horizontal one. So in vertical balance, the highest position was better than the middle ground, and the middle ground was better than the negative position or the lowest position. While in horizontal balance, the central middle ground is the best one. So mistaking this for this will lead to thinking that yeah, even in vertical balance, the middle ground is better than the two sides. For example, some intellectuals might say that questioning is even better than answering. No, that's just a fallacy of middle ground. Answering is a sign of knowledge that is at a higher level than questioning, and questioning is at a higher level than indifference. That the reason that the complicated reason that they make this mistake is because they mistake vertical balance for horizontal one. In horizontal balance, the middle ground was a sign of moderation and the best position. So if you want to merge these two kinds of balances, we can say that as we go higher in vertical balance, we get horizontally closer to the central medium in horizontal balance. That's it. In other words, it's something like a pyramid. That's it.